Good evening. This is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. We begin with currency trading as the price of the US dollar went above the $130 to 1 mark for the first time in more than 8 months on Friday. The price at the end of the day was $130.19. This is the highest the US dollar has traded for since October last year. The Canadian dollar is also up, selling for $100. The pound sterling closed at $173.52, while the euro sold for $153.43. Victoria Mutual Building Society has received regulatory approval to open a representative office in New York. It has received the approval from the Federal Reserve Board and the New York State Department of Financial Services. Now, President and Chief Executive Officer of the Victoria Mutual Group, Courtney Campbell, says Jamaicans in the tri-state area in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut, they account for a significant segment of the company's portfolio. In the coming months, the Building Society will announce plans for an official opening date as well as the branch locations. Now, there's a renewed focus on safeguarding Jamaicans' overseas resources for economic growth. Using the ocean to generate economic benefits is part of the so-called blue economy. The issue was the focal point of a debate in the upper house on Friday. Senators explored the benefits of a plastic-free ocean and its spillover effect on the local businesses.
The plastic bags in terms of consumer. So, Mr. President, thanks for those comments. I agree with you that the private sector should be more proactive in terms of what we are doing, but I can assure you there are some of us who are already being proactive in trying to save our environment.
The main JSE index lost 3,869 points today, while the junior index gained 80 points. Among the winners were Berger Paints, Caribbean Producers, Consolidated Bakeries, Derrimon Trading Company, Elite Diagnostics, Epley, Express Catering, and Fosrich. On the losing side were Burrito Investments, Carreras, Grace Kennedy, G West Corporation, Honeybun, Jamaica Producers, JMMB Group, KLE Group, and Kingston Wharves. Now, oil prices held firm today. Oil for delivery in July settled at $65.95 a barrel. It's the same closing price as yesterday. And that wraps up the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.